Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your forward edge oil light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the controls on the left side of your steering wheel. Use these buttons to navigate through the main menu on your dashboard display. You will need to select Settings, and then proceed to Vehicle from the available options. Once you are in the Vehicle menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Oil Life Reset. This is the specific setting you need to adjust. With Oil Life Reset highlighted, press and hold the OK button, usually located in the center of your steering wheel controls. Hold it down for a few seconds until the display confirms the reset. Your oil life should now show 100%. For some forward edge models, especially older ones, the menu navigation might not be available or work differently. In such cases, there's an alternative method. Turn your ignition to the on position, ensuring the engine remains off. Then, fully press down both the accelerator and brake pedals simultaneously. Hold them down for approximately 20 seconds. The oil change light should flash, indicating the reset is complete. After performing the reset, always double-check your dashboard to ensure the oil change light is no longer illuminated. This confirms the process was successful. Remember, resetting the light doesn't replace the need for actual oil changes. Regular maintenance is vital for your engine's health. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.